If you've ever taken a photo on your iPhone and later noticed it looked blurry or hazy, there's a good chance the camera lens was dirty without you realizing it. With iOS 26, Apple has introduced a feature that can alert you when your camera lens might need cleaning, helping you avoid those disappointing shots. The tricky part is that this option isn't always obvious in the settings, and many users don't even know it exists. Since it works quietly in the background, you need to make sure it's enabled properly to get notified at the right time. Once turned on, your iPhone can help you maintain clearer photos by reminding you when the lens may be affecting image quality. Try these. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Step 3. Look for Lens Cleanliness Warning or similar option. Step 4. Toggle the feature on. Step 5. Use your camera normally and allow the system to detect lens issues. Step 6. Watch for notifications prompting you to clean the lens.